What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we are doing part 2 on a series of making blade ball in Roblox Studio. So what we have added is a lobby to our game, and whenever the game ends, all the players get thrown into the lobby, and then they wait 15 seconds for a game to start again. We can just ignore that ball still coming after us, it'll reset. So yeah, new game has started. We're in the arena, and if we die, we're back in the lobby, and so that'll just keep repeating forever and ever. It's still pretty rough, and there is one thing that we're not seeing right now that will sometimes happen, and that's when a game starts, we'll spawn up here, but we'll get that fixed in future videos, and it's pretty rare that it happens. It just picks a random spawn, so there's 8 spawns down here and 1 spawn in the lobby, so there's a 1 out of 9 chance that you will spawn to start the game in the lobby. But again, we'll get that fixed in future videos. Let's clean this up. Let's go over the script a little bit. This script's getting way too long for my liking, and it's just going to be hard to go through and explain everything I did. I will try to go over it a little bit though. Let's see, choose new target was in the last video, move to target last video, reset ball and choose new target last video. Alright, respawn players in the game. So we are getting our spawn points. We're going through each one of the players, and then we're picking a random spawn point, and then we're just setting our player character to match the same position of the spawn point that we picked. Check for last player. This gets called every time a player dies. It just checks to see if there's any players left that have 1 life, and those are active players, and if there is only 1 player left, or 1 active player left, then the game ends. Then we have an on player eliminated function, and all this is doing is when a player is eliminated, it checks the number of lives they have, and if they have 0 lives remaining, then they are going to be thrown to the lobby by moving their position to the lobby spawns position. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I know it's a pretty short, terrible explanation of what we've done, but I'm figuring this out on the fly here, so I'm sorry that this is not the most organized series, but hopefully we'll get this cleaned up in the future and it'll be easier to follow along. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments or any suggestions. I'm completely open to suggestions, as like I said, I'm kind of figuring this out on the fly. But yeah, until the next video, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.